Okay guys, today is the next practical of balushai. Okay, balushai is a dessert of Punjabi cuisine. Okay, this is made with the refined flour, ghee and sugar. Okay, prepare sugar syrup with the help of sugar and making a dough with the help of refined flour and ghee. So first you take a refined flour, 200 grams refined flour. Take 200 grams refined flour, 200 grams refined flour. Okay, this is 200 gram refined flour and 50 grams ghee. Okay, this is 50 grams ghee. Okay, approximate 40 to 50 grams. So ghee is 50 grams and a pinch of soda. Okay, this is 50 grams. Okay, 50 grams ghee and a pinch of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, these are the ingredients required for making a balushai. Okay, now let's start. Mix all the ingredients. Okay, now mix all the ingredients and making a tight dough. Okay, mix all the refined flour, bisodium carbonate and ghee. Okay, mix all the ingredients and making a tight dough. Okay, and mix well all the ingredients. Okay, so your dough is ready. Okay, this is a dough is ready and keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, now make a sugar syrup. First, open the gas, add water, approximate 2 ml. Okay, and then add 200 grams sugar and make a sugar syrup. Okay, and make a sugar syrup with the help of sugar and water. Now bring to boil the sugar syrup. Your sugar is dissolved in the water. Bring to boil the sugar syrup. Okay, now add some cardamom, okay, in the butter. Cardamom powder, and it is optional. You can add the kevada essence. And you can use the saffron. Okay, bring to boil the sugar syrup. Okay, you make a one base sugar syrup. It is important for making a balushai. Okay. Bring to boil the sugar syrup. When your sugar syrup is ready, keep aside. Okay, it's almost ready. So now you can keep aside the sugar syrup and make a balushai. Okay. Sure. Okay. Now let's start making a balushai. So you are lay first round it and then flat it and then fold it. Okay, and again flat and fold it. It is layer wise. Flat and fold. Okay. Okay, and okay, and now then fold it and shape in round. Okay, this is a balushai. Now again its procedure for making a balushai. First flat, then fold, flat and fold. Okay, flat and fold. Okay, this is, and then make a round. Okay, 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 divide it into 4 pieces. Five pieces. Okay, and then make it. Okay, fold it. Flat, fold and then roll it. And in the other hand, you can heat the oil. This is hold and then hole in the center. Flat and fold. It is 3 to 4 times. Flat, fold, and now fold it and then okay. This is a balusai pieces, and now fry the pieces in a now heat the oil approximate 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, not more than 60 degree. So your oil is heated 60 degree temperature. And then you can add the pieces. Okay, one by one. Your oil should be not heated more than 60 degree temperature. Okay, and fry, and not stir the balusai. You can stir the oil, ghee. Okay, cook until the golden brown in colors. Your pieces should golden brown in color. Okay, now it is fried until it's golden brown in colors. cook both side up and down. And fried slow fire. Okay, either your pieces are one from the outer layer and raw in the center. So guys, please make sure your flame is slow. Okay, here it's a time consuming method. So fried in slow fire. Cook until it's turn golden brown in color. Make sure your flame is slow. Okay, stir continuously. Your balusai fried both sides. Cook until golden brown in colors. Okay, fried both sides up and down. So stir continuously. Okay, guys, your balusai is ready. So let remove from the fat and then dip in sugar syrup. Okay, approximate 5 minutes dips in the sugar syrup. Okay, remove from the fat and then remove it in a sugar syrup. approximate 5 minutes. Okay, now it is time to present your dish. Balushai. Okay, so remove the sugar syrup and now present in a plates. Okay, and squeeze the excess sugar syrup and then put in the plates. Okay, it is 2 pieces served in 1 portion. Okay, and garnishing with almonds. Okay, garnishing with almond, pista and cashew nut. Okay, this is a balushai cuisine. Okay, this is Punjabi cuisine. Dessert course is dessert, serve hot and cold. Okay, at a room temperature. And thank you.